rages on here in the outskirts of Srinagar, to be precise in the Pampore area, and we are just 200 meters away, and there you can clearly see a massive blast on the building. This is the hostel building of the Entrepreneurship Development Institute, and this building has been since morning literally peppered and pounded from all directions. The security forces are firing these rockets and grenades on this particular building. Moments back you saw another rocket hitting the top floor. According to sources in the security forces, they feel that these militants are hiding in the top two floors. So though those have been peppered since morning from all sides, they are trying to go for in fact every room is being targeted on the top floor. Clearly it seems that right now the only practice or the only strategy is to pound it from outside. They're not going into the building because last time they know that there have been casualties, and very importantly some top in fact senior officers of the army at that time did go in, and there were casualties. So just to avoid that, they are going for this strategy of pounding it from outside. We've been told that these militants are there in the top floor somewhere, but they're resisting this attack. Another blast, you can clearly see in the background, there has been another blast, another rocket fired towards this particular building. These militants since morning have not shown their presence in a big way. They have not fired randomly, and in fact that really is the big challenge for the security forces, because they have not been able to exactly pinpoint the location of these militants in this huge structure. This is a big building, a very strong concrete building. Another blast, in fact a very strong building. As I said, we've been reporting since morning. It's around 7 floors. It's more than 70 rooms. So this will tell you about the challenge. These militants seem to be very well armed and trained, because they are resisting such a barrage of gunfire and so many very lethal explosives that have been really hurled towards them. In fact, some time back there was a big blast, couple of massive IED blasts that rocked this area. One side of the building was damaged, but still there is ample room for these militants to hide inside this building. And since morning there have been some injuries. 2 security force personnel have been injured, including an army jawan. So that's the latest from Pampore. The hostel building here at the EDI complex has caught fire. Now these are the visuals. Let me tell Miraj to straight away take you to that building. You can clearly see these plumes of smoke that are coming out now. Since morning, while certain pockets did catch fire, but this seems to be a massive fire considering that the rear side is completely on fire. Now some fire tenders were sent right now. They're rushing towards the spot, but it seems that rear side, at least a portion of this has caught fire. Now since morning, this building, as we have been reporting, has been pounded with very heavy ammunition, explosives, including rockets, grenades, and in between massive IEDs that have ripped through certain floors. The concentration of the attack has been on the top 2 floors, which they feel are the floors where these militants are taking in fact positions. They're hiding inside. As we said that they have really fired very judiciously since morning. These militants are not exposing their positions, and from the rear side, it seems from the last 1 to 2 hours from the rear side they have really fired a lot, and it seems that a section of this hostel complex has caught fire. And in fact you can clearly see this fire seems to be spreading to interiors of this complex, because the smoke is only increasing, meaning that new areas are catching fire. So clearly situation very tense and volatile. It's a fluid situation here since morning, while security forces have pounded this building but have got very little reaction from the militants inside. Either they are lying low, or there could be a case that they have been killed. But as I said, still the operation is very much on. Moments back there was more firing on this building, and it seems one of those shells has ensured that this building has caught fire. So clearly situation continues to be the same here at the EDI complex, where this building has now caught fire. A section of the building has caught fire, and since morning the situation has been pretty much the same. The security forces have pounded this building from various sides, and but as of now, no, they have not entered the building. They're basically trying to really ensure that they keep firing from outside. Whatever the movement they see inside, they fire in that direction. So basically, the operation is still ongoing, and it seems, as we have reported, that it's going to be a long drawn operation, considering all these elements, the building and the fact that security forces do not want to take casualties. Mir Farid, Pampore for Times Now.